The cabin air filter in your 2018-2020 Audi Q5 is crucial for filtering out dust, pollen, allergens, and pollutants. It's typically located on the passenger side underneath the glove box. Replacing it every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually is essential for maintaining air quality and HVAC efficiency. Start by opening the glove box and removing its contents. Then locate and remove the panel beneath the glove box, which is usually secured by clips. Behind this panel, you'll find the filter housing cover. Unlatch it to access the cabin air filter. Slide out the old filter, noting its orientation for reinstallation. Insert the new filter, ensuring it matches the original orientation. Reassemble everything in reverse order. Use a torque wrench during reassembly to prevent rattles, a common issue reported by users. When selecting a replacement filter, consider advanced filtration technologies like activated carbon for odor absorption or HEPA filters for superior particle capture, especially if you live in an urban area. HEPA filters are particularly beneficial for allergy sufferers. Audi's OEM part number is 8R08119644A, but premium aftermarket options from Bosch or Mann Filter can offer up to 99.97% particle capture. Remember, HEPA filters are particularly beneficial for allergy sufferers. During installation, ensure the filter is properly seated to avoid leaks or noise. It's also a good idea to inspect the filter housing for any debris or damage. Automotive experts recommend professional inspection during oil changes. Neglecting filter replacement can lead to mold growth in HVAC ducts, resulting in costly repairs. Proactive maintenance can extend HVAC system life by 10 to 15%, reducing overall repair frequency. Statistics show that cabin filter replacements cost $20 to $50 DIY versus $100 to $150 at a shop.